are here in Cabo. This is our last excursion of the trip. So sad, but we will take you guys to the excursion, which is called the Top 10 of Cabo, which is they're taking us to the top 10 places here in about 3 hours. So we are taking a boat ride to the place we're supposed to be at, sightseeing and everything like that. And the best part is I am with my parents and my sister-in-law and her husband.
Cabo San Lucas is a tender port, which means the cruise ship does not directly port on land. You will need to take a water shuttle to get to land. Consider the time it takes when planning your trip to and from Cabo so you get back onto the ship in time.
Meron is dark.
We are at the glass factory, so we'll show you what it looks like. All of the tiles were made in 2014, and ever since then, the factory workers said only one tile broke out of all the years. So it's been over 10 years now, and it's still staying strong, except for one tile, but that's an interesting fact. Manzanita Sol, I think it's apple juice. I got lucky because he just brought it out when I got it. But we are at the Sunset Monalisa restaurant. It is overlooking a beautiful view on the edge of a cliff.
Cheers, Dad! Cheers! Oh, Dad, what do you think about Cabo so far?
Cabo San Lucas is perfect. Overshadows the weather, and it's not too hot, and it's really good for picture taking. And I like it.
That's really good. It's just like really scenic and everything. So, and you get to see the ship from here.
It's so beautiful. I'll probably go back here, like intentionally go back here for a vacation.
Nice. Next stop would be Cabo San Jose.
This is the main square of San Jose del Cabo.
Hola! We are in Cabo San Jose. The roads and streets are very nice to walk around. Very colorful, beautiful area. We're gonna explore more. The tour guide gave us about 15 minutes to explore here, so we'll show you if we grab a quick bite to eat or if we just walk around more and explore. We are at Jasmine Restaurant here in Cabo. We're gonna grab a quick bite. We're gonna try their food. Their restaurant is very beautiful. It's decorated with a lot of flags, beautiful flowers, so the ambience is so nice. And the table is decorated very beautiful as well. So we'll tell you how the food goes.
We just zoomed through our meal. I think we just recorded a new world record, eating our meal in 2 minutes, 3 tacos. Delicioso. These tacos were so good, and these lime, although they are, I don't know, they're very small slices, they produce a lot of juice. Look at this. See? We are pretty much done with our tour here in Cabo. We have to head back to the bus in 10 minutes. So we'll squeeze in a little time for some picture taking here in Cabo San Jose before heading back to Cabo San Lucas, where we're gonna get back to the ship and celebrate the final elegant night. And today is a special night because we have elegant night and the white party, meaning to say we're all wearing white.
We are back at the port after a 45-minute bus drive. We ran into a little bit of traffic, but we made it on time. It is exactly 1 and we have to be back at the port by 2 for last call. So we're just gonna walk around here, see if we find anything, and if not, we're gonna head back to the ship.
Good?
Good to
Delicious?
Thank you to my sister-in-law's husband for buying it.
Oh, it's a bear, babe.
Oh, bear.
It's a bear.
Oh, it's a bear.
We are going to lobster dinner. Can you guess the theme? It's black and white. We plan to match. You got that right.
Good job.
This is our last formal dinner, and everyone say, "Aww."
Aww.
It's almost over. We had such a great time, but we still have one more full day at sea.
What are we ordering tonight?
We are getting lobster and prime rib and creme brulee, like all of our favorites. So it's gonna be a good night. We all look great. So enjoy.
Good evening. What'd you order?
We ordered the top fish fettuccine and then the corn chowder. I like corn and I like chowder, so combine.
How is it, Mom?
So tender, juicy.
I bet it's perfectly cooked.
And Dad?
It's good. It's so soft. It melts in your mouth.
Masarap ba, babe?
Very soft.
We are heading to the Lido deck later, but we have to change to our clothes for the white party. Should be a good time.
What are we watching?
It's the hot white party.
Oh!
All white party.
We just finished the white party. We are about to head back to our room to get much needed sleep. we're gonna sleep in tomorrow. We were planning on watching the sunset, but we wanted to take advantage of sleeping in. So, good night. Can I have them?
Good morning. Good morning.
Can I have some water?
During the count of 3, 1, 2, and 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jerry. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.